If you're tired of feeding kilos of expensive feed and watching slim returns, this video is for you. I'll show you why fermented pineapple recipe acts as a real fattening supplement for broilers, how to prepare it on the farm, exact doses for starter, grower, and even finisher phases, common problems and fixes, and the simple record checks you should use to prove whether it's working for you. If that sounds like what you need, let's get into the exact steps that will make your feed money count. As you will see in a little while in this video, making the recipe is very simple and the practical doses are what matters the most. Now the reason this recipe works and why it's a real fattening supplement is threefold, and every single mechanism ties back to converting more feed into weight gain. First, pineapple contains bromelain, a proteolytic enzyme that helps break down proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids earlier and more effectively than the bird's own enzymes alone. More available amino acids mean more raw material for muscle synthesis. So a broiler on this supplement turns protein in feed into breast and thigh meat faster. Second, natural lactic acid bacteria develop during fermentation, and these probiotics acidify the gut, suppress pathogenic bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, and reduce gut inflammation. That means the bird wastes less energy fighting infections and puts that saved energy into growth. Third, fermentation produces organic acids and short-chain fatty acids that nourish the intestinal lining, increase villus height and surface area for absorption, and improve mineral uptake. Physically stronger villi equals more nutrient absorption per gram of feed. So, feed conversion ratio drops, and the bird gains more weight from the same ration. Put together, better breakdown of feed, fewer infections, and more absorption. That's how small changes at the gut level become real weight gains at the scale of your crate. Before we get deeper, kindly like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. On-farm trials and peer-reviewed studies consistently report better daily weight gains and improved FCR at 10 to 15 milliliters per liter of drinking water. Inclusion rate. Typical outcomes are 3 to 6% heavier birds at slaughter and FCR improvements of 4 to 8% depending on baseline management. Practically, that means less feed per kilo of meat and faster time to market. Two concrete ways the supplement pays for itself. There's also reduced mortality during stress periods and cleaner litter, because droppings firm up when gut balance returns, farmer droppings dry faster, ammonia drops, respiratory stress reduces, and those environmental improvements also help birds eat and grow better. If you keep simple records, weekly weights on a sample of 100 birds, and daily feed in versus bird weight gain, you'll see these differences within a single cycle when the product is used correctly. How you use it on the farm matters just as much as how it's made. Start small, treat one house, and keep a control house if you can, so you know the difference in your own conditions. Introduce the fermented juice at low dose for 48 hours, 5 milliliters per liter of drinking water. If birds are not familiar to strong tasting water, then move to the full starter dose of 10 milliliters per liter of drinking water. Always clean drinker lines before first use, so you're giving fresh water into clean pipes. During heat stress, vaccination, feed change, or after transport, raise the dose to the upper band for 3 to 7 days to stabilize the gut. After antibiotic treatment, pause the fermented juice during therapy and resume 3 to 5 days after the last dose to rebuild beneficial flora.
What sets apart millionaire poultry farmers from normal farmers? One thing: feed formulation. You've probably heard that making your own poultry feeds is cheaper and more profitable, but when you go online, all you find is scattered information, complicated software, and people talking theory instead of showing you how it's actually done. That's exactly why we at Agribusiness Insider spent the last 8 months creating something no one else has, a complete poultry feed formulation course designed to take you from zero knowledge to formulating professional broiler and layer feeds in just 1 weekend. You'll get 5 easy-to-understand modules that explain everything from ingredient selection and nutrient balancing to actual feed mixing. You'll also receive our powerful Excel-based feed formulation software with over 80 preloaded ingredients. Just key in your data and get instant feed formulas customized for your chickens. And because we believe in hands-on practical learning, we've added 8+ step-by-step video tutorials and a software operation guide, so you'll never get stuck at any point. Believe me, we have checked, and there is nothing like this that exists anywhere on the internet. Now, for a limited time, you can get 15% off the full package and gain free access to our future live feed formulation webinars, where we answer all your feed formulation and poultry questions lessons one-on-one. Remember, our Organic Poultry Farming ebook is still yours to grab. To get a lifetime access to the course and the ebook, click the first link in the description of this video or scan this QR code, or contact me directly on WhatsApp at +254 726 717 251 for any assistance. This special offer will not be on for long, so click the first link in the description now and unlock lifetime access before it's closed.
For storage, you can use bottles refrigerated at 48 degrees Celsius, avoid metal containers during fermentation, and always discard batches with mold or rotten smell. The right smell is sour, fruity, not bad foul smell. You will face two common objections on the farm, and here's the practical fix. First, birds sometimes refuse altered tasting water at first. The answer is gradual introduction and small dose steps, not stopping the program. Second, some batches can be inconsistent. If fermentation conditions vary, maintain rotation of several batches so you always have a steady, mature batch. And if scaling up, consider a dedicated shaded fermentation room with labeled rotating jars. If you follow the dose bands I gave, palatability is rarely an issue and the performance wins are consistent. Now here is a detailed procedure that you can use to make a well-fermented pineapple recipe supplement for your broilers. Feel free to pause and note it down or make a screenshot to use during preparation. For broilers, use 5 to 10 milliliters per liter of drinking water in the starter. Days 8 to 14, 10 to 15 milliliters per liter in the grower phase. Days 15 to 28 and 15 to 20 milliliters per liter in the finisher. Days 29 to 35. Only when you want a final push, do not exceed 20 milliliters regularly because too much acidity will cut water intake. Use fresh diluted solution daily and never leave diluted water longer than 24 hours. In all these phases, make sure to supplement only 3 times per week. Do not exceed this limit to avoid issues with hyperacidity, which can affect broilers. If you learned something new from this video, remember to check out our feed formulation course. And if you want to go even further, watch the next video on your screen now on how to fatten broilers using natural neem and pumpkin. Click it and I will see you there.